Balitang sports, malaking sugal, ngunit tiyak din ang malaking kabig ang nasa isip ni American boxer Adrian Broner kung bakit nito tinanggap ang hamon na laban ni multi-division World Boxing Champion Manny Pacquiao. Ang detalye sa report ni Paulo Salamatin.
Naniniwala si ace trainer Robert Garcia na pera ang malaking dahilan kung bakit tinanggap ni American multi-division boxer Adrian Broner ang laban kay Filipino boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. Ayon kay Garcia, junior welterweight o 140-pound division ang natural weight ni Broner. Ngunit dahil sa pagkakataon na makalaban si Pacquiao, ay bumalik ng welterweight ang American boxer kahit na mababa ang kanyang tsansa na manalo laban sa Filipino boxing sensation. Nagawa man nito na agawin ng WBA welterweight title kay Paulie Malignaggi via split decision sa laban nila noong 2013. Ito lamang ang namumukod tanging panalo ni Broner sa 4 na laban sa 147-pound class. Matapos ang panalo kay Malignaggi, 2 talo sa welterweight division ang nalasap ni Broner sa mga kamay ni Marcos Maidana at Sean Porter, habang tabla ang ika-4 na welterweight bout nito laban kay Jesse Vargas.
I think he belongs at 140. That's probably his best weight division. At 140, that's probably where he could perform better. But look, fight with Manny Pacquiao for a world title. Of course, you know, it was a good opportunity for him, and I'm sure he's also going to make a really good payday. So he's he's taking the fight because he doesn't have many other choices. He had a draw with Jesse Vargas, lost to Mikey, and now he gets a title fight against Pacquiao.
Tangan ni Broner ang 33-3 one-win-loss draw slate, 24 dito natapos via knockout. Sa 3 talo, 2 dito ay hinawakan ni Garcia at ito ay ang kanyang kapatid na si Mikey Garcia at Maidana. Samantala, tiniyak ni Garcia na handang labanan ng kanyang kapatid na si Mikey si Pacquiao sakali man na magkaroon ng unsyame ang usaping rematch sa pagitan ng fighting senator at American superstar Floyd Mayweather Jr.
We definitely will look into that right now. Both of, Pacquiao and Mikey, they both have very important fights coming up, but after that, it would be really an honor to share the ring with Manny Pacquiao. But like I said, if Mayweather decides to give Manny a rematch, well, I'm pretty sure that's the fight that Manny would prefer because of the business. But if not, I think the next big fight next to that would be probably against Mikey.
Itataya ni Pacquiao ang kanyang WBA welterweight crown kontra Broner sa isang 12-round battle na magaganap ngayong linggo sa MGM Grand sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Paulo Salamatin, PTV Sports.